Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is time for another crochet hair install video. And today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is the RastAfri Spanish wand curl hair. Now this pack does not tell you how many inches this hair is. I'm going to estimate roughly 18, and I have it in the color BT130. Now, I purchased this hair with my own coin. I got it, I believe, from Elevate Styles, but I'll link it down below. It's been quite some time since I purchased this hair. I haven't tried a RastAfri hair in quite some time, and I was like, I love the colors, and it's summer. It's time for some colors. Let's get this color situation started. Now, I did purchase, I believe, 5 packs of this hair. I'm hoping 5 packs is enough. I know historically it has been with RastAfri, and I'm going to install this hair on this braid pattern. If you guys know, my girl Kesh is the one who does my hair now. She slays. I just tell her what I'm going to do. Again, she does not know I have a crochet hair review channel. She does not know that, but she thinks I install crochet hair. I tell her at least I am installing crochet hair. I said I'm doing a left side part. I think she's being experimental with my hair, because last time we had a different braid pattern. The first time we had a different braid pattern. Now we have it where I have this left side part. She did help me, because I did have a little bit of issues the last takedown finding where it starts, because it's so flat. It lays so flat, but I'm like, where's my hang time at? How do I know where to start taking my hair down? Because I don't remember. So she guided my hand to the part of my head where the big braid starts, and then I start from there, because honey, had a time after I took out the Yankee twist. You guys don't know what happened after I turned that camera off, because getting the hair out was easy peasy. Taking the braid down, we had some problems. I shouldn't this go around. I believe this hair cost me $5.99 a pack. I'm excited to get back into the land of synthetic after trying 2 back-to-back human hair. But without further ado, let's just get into my install of this hair. Another look at the hair. It is again a color BT1B30. All I'm going to do to install is take a strand out of this package, push the crochet needle through my braid, attach the hair to the needle, then pull both the needle and the hair through. A loop is created, and I'm going to knot this hair twice. So pull the hair through 2 times and continue that process throughout my head.
What's up, baby? What you doing?
Just waiting on you. Where are you?
Got caught up a little bit, so I won't be a little late. Okay, I'm on the way though.
Hurry. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Close my eyes and trust your plan. When no one calls my hand, you play the
Normally, when I get to the front and I get to the parting section where people can actually put eyes on, I say I pull one strand through once or I invisible knot the hair. I don't really in this case, and I'll explain more why in my outro, but just know I'm doing the same process from beginning to end in regards to installing this hair. Then I am putting mousse on this hair. This hair is very big, and I'm going to get into that in my outro where I talk about kind of the fullness of this hair and my overall install experience. But mousse, I never ever have to pull this out. I rarely have to pull this out, I'll say. And I needed it for this hair. So now this is the finished look. I'm inserting a turnaround so you can see it in its all voluminous look that I have on my head right now. I did end up using 4 packs of this hair, although a lot of that's on the floor right now. This hair is very soft. I have not tried a hair like this in a while. So getting back to a bulky, very soft hair has my whole entire floor looking like this. A lot of this is on the ground because pulling this hair apart when it's so soft like this is a problem. Pulling it out of the package, like I have a lot of this, a lot of strands that are just when you pull it, it's too soft, it's frizzy. I just kind of put it by the wayside. So I use 4 packs. Do you need to use 4 packs? Probably not. Probably not. You probably could get away with 3, but a whole pack is probably on this floor right now because of the pulling it apart and it being super soft. It's reminding me of the RastAfri Jamaican curl hair, and I'll put it side by side too. Like not just looks wise, but like also that same feeling. I do like a more sturdy hair. Yes, it's very soft, but it's very wispy. It's very like no, it gives me pause in terms of how it's going to last. So that's why I applied mousse. I do not use mousse often. I got a comment not years ago, but I got a comment on a video from years ago that I used mousse in it, and someone asked me, "Oh, so you always use mousse?" I'm like, "No, you're watching something in 2017, girl. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Come to the 2025, honey. I barely use mousse because I rarely try hair that has this kind of a feel. I like a more something like the Bishi Jerry curl. You guys know the rigidity of this hair. This doesn't have that same level of rigidity. It's more thin. It's more, again, wispy. It's, giving me a lightweightness. I love its lightweight. I like it's very breathable. Like it feels very breathable, which again, with it being as hot as it is, I like the breathability of it, but I'm very nervous. I do like it now that I've put a little bit of mousse in it. I think it tamed it the way it needed to be tamed with the mousse, so I'm happy about that. I also, as I was putting mousse in it, I also kind of spritzed some water in it too, so it got a little combination of water, more mousse than water, but I just did also add a little bit of water to it as well. So this is how it looks. Took me roughly an hour. I'm trying to look at because I was watching a show as I was doing this. Maybe an hour 40 to do it, and that was because I was losing a lot of hair. I was really getting frustrated. I don't know if you could tell throughout this video. I was really getting frustrated with the separation of this hair. I was like so annoyed. Again, coming off of 2 human hair back to back, when you have the predefined sections of the human and now getting into this, it's like annoying a little bit, but I think like the look of the hair. I like the lightweight nature of it. My only cons was the install of it was kind of and I'm a little bit nervous about how a hair like this, because normally the softer hair, you guys always want the softest, most softest baby doll hair, and I tell you, the softer hair is, the more it's going to give you some problems. Synthetic and soft don't necessarily have to go together. Like people want, I want a soft situation. Okay. With synthetic, maybe a soft synthetic wig where you can take it off at night. Soft synthetic and it's attached to your head every single day. Sleeping in it, rubbing against things, putting your head across chair rest, or if you're in a car, your car rest. A lot of rubbing, a lot of friction can make for a very tangly, matted, soft hair. So buyer beware when it comes to that. I did knot this hair the same all throughout. I didn't really switch it when I got to the front like I normally do, just because I've never had a braid pattern like this. And now when I again went to the bathroom, I was like, I gotta get used to this because I think I prefer the straight backs because like now I'm locked in. Like I can't do anything else. Like I'm used to kind of being able to like at least put my hair up like this, but I think it's not, you can kind of see the braid right here. Whereas with straight back, I feel like you can't. You only see kind of the fronts, and it doesn't look the same. So I just got to get used to it, I think. I think once I sleep on it and I get used to kind of this, and I think if I like, the other thing about when it's straight back is I can move it a little bit more to the left. Like, I am a left side part girl, but I think I'm like a little bit over, like 1 little centimeter. Like, I say I'm a left side part, but like I think I'm a farther left side part. So this kind of feels weird to me, and I cannot change it. And I think being locked in like this with a straight back, I can at least like move it over just a little bit. With this, I'm like locked in. Like, this is the part. This is the part that I'm always gonna have. I don't know. Now I feel trapped. Now I feel trapped. Like, even any other time, I'd be like, yep, I'm always parting my hair like this, so it's fine. But now, like, when I go the next time, I'm going to tell her, let's not do this. Let's do the other time, because I just like the versatility of being able to move things around. I like the color. I like the lightweightness. I like a lot of things about it, but I am a little nervous about how it will perform. But that's the beauty of this channel, is that I don't just install and take this out in 2 minutes. No, I actually wear it. So I'll be wearing it in my review video. So make sure you're subscribed and locked in so you can see that review video when it goes live, and have that notification bell on so you're alerted when that goes live. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a few more shenanigans in a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.